I've got my Christmas tree up, fluffed and covered in lights. If you want to see how I put lights on a Christmas tree or how to fluff a Christmas tree, I have those videos linked in the description. So let's get decorating. The first thing I'm going to add is this red velvet star tree topper. I've placed the star about where I want it. Don't forget the piece of wire or twine you're going to use to secure it like I did. So after I got my wire, I'm simply going to wire the star to the tree and then fluff the branches to cover the post. Next, I'm going to add golden glass beaded garlands. I'm using 3 6-foot strands for this tree. I started by simply draping the garland across the branch tips as evenly spaced as possible. Then I go back and adjust the depth of the swags to make them uniform. This process is a little tedious, but take your time and don't worry if the swags aren't absolutely perfect. Once the tree is covered in ornaments, any difference in swags will be mostly unnoticeable. To continue with a traditional look, next I'm going to add some of these indented ornaments. These are something that I found at a little antique shop. They aren't old, but I loved their classic Christmas coloring. I like to apply all of one type or color of ornament at a time to achieve an even look. Then I have these smaller indented ornaments to add. I love shiny bright ornaments and have collected a few boxes of them over the years. I'm just going to add one type at a time, starting with the largest ornaments first. These shiny brights aren't old, but they have a wonderfully vintage retro look to them, which I just love. Here are some of the smaller ones. These are great for filling in the tree. We got these wood-painted ornaments from Tim's Graham years ago, so it is fun to add these family ornaments to our traditional Christmas tree. I have a variety of these vintage golden yellow ornaments that I purchased from an antique shop that I will add next. To add in more red and gold, I'm going to add some larger ornaments in that theme. I like to use a variety of sized ornaments when decorating a tree, as it adds interest and dimension to the finished look. These glitter starbursts are next. I'm also going to add some sparkling gold floral stems. These add a contrasting texture and sparkle to the tree. And after I finish adding those, I'll show you the finished look. Welcome to my channel. I'm Christopher Heidemann and I love to decorate. Over the years, I've had a blast sharing a variety of craft and decorating videos. From cozy fall and spooky Halloween to warm and inviting Christmas. And other fun videos, including seasonal home tours, garden tours, simple desserts and treats, floral arrangements, and other projects to make your holidays and home even more spectacular.